This must stop. We will be swept away.
Arthur. Hello, Charles. Thank you for coming. Of course. The chief, he's very... Maybe you could speak to him?
Yes, that's why I came.
He's in his tent.
Sure.
I'll wait for you here.
Hello?
Come in. Mr. Morgan, I'm so glad you could make it.
How are you?
My son. My son is foolish, but he's still my son.
I know your son. A little. He's very brave. Very angry. He's me.
How is your father?
He's dead a long time. He lived a lot longer than was good for any of us.
My son probably wishes the same to me.
I doubt that.
I want peace. I need my people to be safe. All my life I've tried to bring peace. But I love my son. They'll hang him for treason. Treason. He is the chief son of a proud nation. How could he commit treason? People who have lied to my people for 100 years or more, that's treason.
Well,
what should I do?
I don't think there's much chance reasoning with Colonel Favors.
No. And any chance we had, your friend, Mr. Vanderland, has ensured relations between us and the Army are worse than any point in the last 5 years. I'm sure he means well. But matters are more complex than he understands.
Me and Charles will try and rescue your son.
No.
Yes, yes. I ain't got much to lose, and you got... I'm doing this. Charles! Where are you? Come on, let's go. We need to get his son back, of course. I just ain't sure how.
I've been working on that. I think there's a way. Follow me.
He's proven himself to us. A loyal man to our people.
So, I've been scouting the fort. The army are patrolling all the main roads and bridges in and out, but if we can get the horses across the river, I found a route that should get us in fairly close. If we wait until late enough, there's a place we should be able to sneak in around the back.
Okay, whatever you think. I trust you.
No guns, just knives and arrows. If we start making a lot of noise, he'll be dead before we get close to him.
Okay.
I left 2 canoes downriver, in case we need another way out of there.
Okay, good.
You know, this wouldn't have happened if it wasn't for Dutch.
Yeah, but we all went along with it.
He saw eagle flies burned hot, and he fanned the flames. He never had any intention of helping those people.
This point, I ain't sure if he's got any intention of even getting us out of here. He could be stringing everyone along. But he's holding all the money. Ain't that crazy?
You feel that? There's rain on the wind.
I know. Listen, Charles. If it goes bad in there, You get yourself out. You got more to lose.
No. Come on. Don't start talking like that.
I didn't tell you before, but I saw a doctor. It's pretty bad. Well, it's gonna get worse.
Oh, Arthur. Any day we can die. We're riding to break an Indian chief's son out of a cavalry fort. We could both die tonight. In a way, it is a gift to know. In a way, you were lucky.
Sure don't feel like that.
You still have time to make amends. The others, Hosea, Lenny, Sean, all them, they didn't. And what about the Calendar boys? Both killed trying to escape Blackwater? A more vicious pair of bastards than ever was. And that's all they ever were and will be.
Maybe.
You're lucky. You got the chance to do something better. My guess is maybe that's why you're here now.
I'm here now because Dutch asked me to. I need to keep playing along with his plan until I find out where all that money's hidden.
Okay. Careful! Are you all right?
I think so.
That current's strong. Up here. Follow me.
You were right about the damn rain.
Yeah. But might help us with sneaking in there. Arthur! The Rainsfall told me there was some retaliation after the meeting with Colonel Favors. Some women were taken. Elders beaten.
Bastards.
Yeah. This isn't gonna be nice. There it is.
All right. This should be fun. Let's get ourselves hidden and wait till it gets dark.
Over here. All right. You ready?
Yes.
Keep down and follow me. Patrol group. Hopefully we'll be in and out before they can come back around. Good. Let's make our way around the back. Stick to the wall. Careful. There's a guard up there. He's moving. Come on. Okay. Come on. Stay back. Shh. Wait. Two more. One in the tower, one on the ground. Same as before. You take one, I got the other. What are you doing?
Not your fault. That blow-on seal.
Okay, come on. Around the back. This is the spot. Shh. Guard up ahead. Have you got a shot on him?
This one's mine.
Good. Let's move. Shit. Another guard on the walkway. Are you taking him?
No need to waste an arrow on him. Use your knife.
I've got this one.
Now keep moving. Careful. Two more. What did you get? Good work. Come on. Wait. I'll make sure the tower's clear. It's okay. Let's go. There's a guard out front. You take him. I'll cover back there.
I'll handle this.
Alright. Good. The jail should be just down here. I'll never get past these guards. Get up that tower and try to distract them.
Try to put an arrow into the lantern above that stack of wood over there. Start a fire. You should have a clear shot from the walkway up there. let's go! Arthur, come on! Get down here!
Do something!
In here. Follow me.
Charles, is that you? Look for the keys. You have to get me out of here.
We're gonna get you out. I'll check the table, Arthur. You search the body.
Got him. Come on. Your father sent us?
My father. He told you to come and kill guards?
No, he didn't say that, Ian.
Of course not.
You okay?
Sure. Enjoy being tortured. Clears the mind.
If you say so. Whoa, whoa.
I'm fine, I'm fine.
Damn it! I'll have to shoot our way out.
They got the prisoner! I'll make short work of you yet!
Nearly got me!
It's a jailbreak!
Come on, move up!
Son of a bitch got me.
Watch yourself! Hold on! You really think you're gonna walk out of here? Watch out! There's some of the towers! More of them ahead of us! This is where you die! Almost got me! Over here. One of the walls was broken when they took me in. Damn. They must have fixed it.
Arthur, deal with this, would you?
Yes, but how?
What about that cannon?
Okay. Come on. Let's use this thing. We're through. Let's go.
Here, come on. Get on!
I got you.
Let's go, quick! I've got some canoes set up at the river down here.
Yep. Ah! Look out! We got more on our tail!
More of them coming from the road on the left! Ahead of us! Quick, down this way! them off. I'll get eagle flies to the canoes.
All right. Come on. Get in here.
Oh, thank you, friend.
Shit, they got me! Quick, get in the other canoe and let's go, Arthur! Let's get downriver as quick as we can.
They'll pay for this. They'll wish they killed me when they had a chance.
Let's just get you to safety first, my friend.
It's like Dutch said. They only have power when you allow them.
Dutch says a lot of things. Careful! The current's strong! Watch yourself. Last thing we need is one of us going in. Look out! On the shore! They're coming after us! On the left! Are you alright?
I'm fine. Give me a gun. I can help.
Just keep your head down. On your right, Arthur! Look out! On the left! Shit! You're ready for war trouble up ahead! Look right! This is it!
They'll pay for this. They'll wish they killed me when they had a chance.
Let's just get you to safety first, my friend.
It's like Dutch said. They only have power when you allow them.
Dutch says a lot of things. Watch out for the current!
This is some swell.
Watch yourself. Last thing we need is one of us going in.
Believe me, that ain't my plan.
Damn it! We got more of them on the riverbank! Look out! On the left! Are you alright?
I'm fine. Give me a gun. I can help.
Just keep your head down. Another one! Right! On the left! That nearly hit me! Clear! Get ready for more trouble up ahead! Look right! Go to hell! They won't give up easily. Stay ready. Let's see if we can find somewhere ahead to pull in. The water should be calmer ahead. We just need to keep going. No, I was wrong. Two more on the left. Don't kill the horses. We can use them to ride out of here. I don't see any more of them.
I think we lost them. Come on.
You okay, Arthur?
Yeah, I'm right as rain. How are you?
I'll be fine in a day or so. I heal fast. Colonel Favors won't be too happy with your rescue.
I guess not.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot more trouble. My father, even he may have to fight.
You won't win. No big fight with them. Shouldn't you all just run away?
Where would we go?
I don't know.
Your friend. Let me take you back to your father.
Thank you.
No mention.
Yeah!